What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man. We are back with another video, and today we're gonna be doing a how to lace tutorial over the Air Force Ones, man. Check it out right here. I just recently picked these things up. I'm gonna be doing these right here as lace style number 1. Lace style number 2 will be the Los Premios Air Force Ones, and then last but not least, we got the Yeezy inspired Air Force Ones as well, which I picked up back in high school, which I was telling you guys in my pickup video of these Dior inspired Air Force Ones, man. But if you are new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now, ring the notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video, live stream, live cop, anything that happens on the channel, you will get notified. And head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage World. And throughout the video, if you're liking what you're seeing, man, make sure you hit that like button. Every like counts, every like goes a long way. So yeah guys, enough talking, let's get right into the how to lace tutorial over the Air Force One, man. Let's get it. All right, here we have it, loose lace style number 1. Very nice. This is my favorite one. I feel like you guys will love this one as well. I've done plenty lace tutorials and I never put the best one first, so I'm gonna put the best one to me, in my opinion, first here. Nothing too tricky, nothing too hard with this one right here. The last one is very tricky, so let's get right into this one. Check it out, we are going from the inside out. I know a lot of people go from the outside of the Air Force One towards the end, but I don't like that one necessarily. I like this one a lot better. It makes it look a lot more clean. So I'm gonna talk throughout a couple of these points and show you guys what I am doing. Like I said, I'm going from the inside out. I don't like going over it and stuff like that. You guys will see why at the end. I mean, you guys see what the finished product, and you're gonna see on the own feed how clean and how crispy it does look, man. These are the Dior inspired Nike by Use that I recently picked up. I was like, man, I've been wanting to do a how to lace Air Force One video for a while. Nothing too crazy with this one. You always want to keep it loose. This is the style today that we're going through, the loose lace style. Check it out, man. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, it's very simple. As you can see, we stopped at the second lace hole. You got another one up top, and if you want to go a little bit more funky, a little bit more loose, you can go down one more, but that's just up to you. That's how loose you want your sneaker. And I would definitely advise you guys to rock force fields, man. That's what I rock in all of my forces. I'm gonna get to that video a little bit later in the week, man, but here you have it, loose lace style number 1. Check out loose lace style number 2, another one of my go-tos. Like I said, I like the first one a lot more, but this one right here is very clean as well, man. If you want your shoes to look very dope, you know what I'm saying, use this lace style as well. These are the best ways to lace your Air Force Ones, no doubt, hands down. Check them out, the Los Premios Air Force Ones that came out back in 2016. So let's get into it. All right guys, for this one, like I said, just like the Dior Air Force One Customs, you are going from the inside of the shoe and over the lacing system, as you guys can see. And right now you want to start keeping it real loose. As you can see me keep tugging at the laces, because I see myself have to come back and really loosen them up towards the end of the lacing. But if you go ahead and start doing the real looseness now, you will not have to come back and do a second, you know what I'm saying, loosening up of the laces, man. I like this one a lot. I know you guys will definitely enjoy it. As you guys can see me, I usually skip the little part where, you know, you put the laces through the tongue, but it's up to you. You can do it if you want. Either way, you will still achieve the loose lace style number 2, man. Like I said, this is where you stop it. As you guys can see, it is not loose enough to, you know, achieve the bunny ears, so I had to go back, like I said, and do the whole thing over. But you can go ahead and knock this out by already loosening them up when you first start lacing up your sneakers, man. But this is very fire. I love this lace style. I usually do this one as well. Like I said, that's why I put it number 2. I think you guys will really enjoy it, man. So you guys let me know how you feeling this one down below in the comment section. Do you like loose lace style number 1 or number 2 the best, man? So here you have it, finished product. Let's go ahead and jump right into this clean on feet over these joints, man. Let's get it. Alright guys, as you can see, this is the last loose lace style. You guys are going to see why I put this one last, because this is probably by far the trickiest one to, you know, actually do a tutorial on. The laces are all over the place under the tongue. You guys are going to see once we get into the step-by-step how to. You are still going from the inside and over the lacing system. It's not that hard, honestly. You just got to keep, you know what I'm saying, going back and forth from one end of the lace to the other and going over the whole lacing system, man. So it's probably not that tricky. You guys are kind of going to catch on. If you got any questions, you can let me know down below in the comment section, and I will hit you up on IG or whatever if you need help achieving this lace style. As you can see, I showed you the inside because the laces are literally everywhere, but you're just going over the lacing system, and this is how you achieve the entire loose lace style number 3, man. This is probably one of my least favorite, but from time to time I will actually, you know, step out with this lace style right here, man. Just remember to keep it loose. You know, this is the style we're trying to achieve. And as you guys can see, man, the laces are everywhere. You're gonna have to tuck them towards the end, but actually doing it and actually seeing myself record it is not that hard at all, man. It's pretty simple. I haven't did my laces like this in over like 3-4 years. I remember doing my Air Force One like this back in high school, and now recording it, seeing it, it's not that hard. It's pretty simple if you think about it. Just grab one end of the lace and go over the lacing system, and this is how you achieve this lace style, man. Let me know how you feel this one down below in the comment section, and enjoy the on feet portion over these Yeezy Air Force Ones, man. Let's get it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the lacing tutorial. Let me know down below which one is your favorite. Like I told you guys in the video, this is my favorite lacing style for the Air Force One. But like I said, I'm interested in knowing what you guys' favorite lacing style is down below in the comment section. Make sure you guys smash that like button if you have not smashed that like button already. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you have not subscribed to the channel already so you can see more dope tutorials like this one. And follow me on Instagram at DeVintage. It'll be linked down below in the description box. If you have any questions about any of the lacing styles we talked about today, let me know in the comment section. I would do my best to answer your question, man. So with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.